Okay, so here we have the 3 by Xenon lamp modules, and I'm going to show you from good to bad. Alright, and this is how you can tell. The good, as you can see, the Xenon bulb in the middle, the little bubble there is clear, and that's a good brand new bulb. We're going to go to the second. This bulb is starting to turn a little gray, so that means that it's almost on its way out, even though this one is still functioning, but it's almost starting to go bad. And this is bad. When it's completely grayed out, there's no gas left, the bulb is inoperable. So what I'm doing is I'm changing both these bulbs, even though this one still works, but I'm replacing both, so they're both brand new and they both have the same equal intensity. Hello all you YTs out there, and welcome to Fort Lauderdale TURO. On this YouTube channel, you're going to see some of the cars I have listed on the TURO platform here in the Fort Lauderdale area in Florida. Today, we're going to do a by Xenon headlamp change on a ML63 W166 model. This can also work on your ML350 or ML550 that has this by Xenon package. Now I'm going to be real brief about it. What we're going to do first is you're going to raise your suspension. If you're able to raise your suspension, go ahead and do so. If not, turn your wheel so you can face it and get access to the little security panel here. This is like the panel that you're going to get to your Xenon bulb. There's a cover that's on there. You just turn it clockwise and it pulls off. Now what we're going to do is, the first thing you do is, like, there's a little connection here. As you can see, this connection is actually connected to the housing. You're going to take that connection and pull it down with your fingers, or use a small flathead screwdriver. Just be careful that you don't pry or prong anything out of there. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to reach your hand in there and turn counterclockwise on the housing. Now it was pretty tough for me in the beginning, so you got to get a good grip on it and turn it counterclockwise, and you can pull it out pretty easily. Pull it out gently. Comes out. Now as you can see here, this is the OEM brand, which is also the Phillips and the same specs as our replacement. The only difference is it's about $200 different. Same specs, same bulb, same manufacturer. So we're going to use this, and we're going to plug that in, and that should automatically replace your bulb that may be out or is flickering. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate you guys taking a look at my page. Check out some of my vehicles I have here in Fort Lauderdale. Click the About page. You'll see a little TURO icon. Click that TURO icon. You'll see my profile and some of the vehicles I have. Thank you very much for checking me out. You guys have a good night.